So today we're going to talk about why problem solving is a missing piece in the classroom. So here's one of the problems. We are preparing our students for the exam, which is important because we know in education we need the data, but here's the problem. We're not preparing them for real life. Let me share a story that a parent shared with me not too long ago. Her 16-year-old daughter called her at work. She wanted her mom to call her out of school. When her mom asked why, here's what the daughter said. She couldn't get out of the house. Well, why? Well, there was a snapping turtle at the front door. Oh, okay. So the mom said, well, let's figure this out. Let's problem solve. The daughter said, you don't understand, Mom, I can't get out of the house. There's a snapping turtle. I can't get out of the house to go to school. Again, the mom said, well, can we problem solve this? Isn't there something you can do? And the daughter again said, absolutely not, Mom. You need to call me out of school. I can't get out of the house. The mom then said to me, okay, Katie, now I understand why you do what you do. Her daughter legitimately could not figure out how to get out of the house, let alone the fact that there were 3 other exits from the house, the garage door, the side door, and the back door. But her 16-year-old daughter could not problem solve that. She instead said she needed to be called out of school. So there is this disconnect. We are teaching them how to solve problems on an exam, but yet they're not real, meaningful problems in the world. We've got to fill this gap. How do we do that? Hang on, before we go any further, I would love to hear how you have incorporated problem solving into your classroom. Let me know in the comments below and I'll read them later. Let's get back to the video. So one of the things we can do is bring outside problems in our world inside our classroom. What's going on in society that our students can be invested in? There are so many of them. Let's ask our students what they care about. What are they curious about in the world? Maybe our river downtown has some algae in it. Let's bring that into our classroom and figure out how can we solve those problems. What are things that are locally happening that our students can help solve? Those are great learning experiences. Problem solving, problem-based learning is exciting, collaborative, and can impact our society and our communities. What's a problem we're having in our school right now? Are there funds that need to be raised? Let's do that together. Is there a problem that we're not bringing enough people into the dances? Well, let's figure that out. What do we need to do? There are so many things that we can do right now that students can be engaged in, that we can solve problems together. Let's make learning relevant and meaningful for our students. So one of the things I think we have forgotten is that learning can be fun. We've got to bring that fun back in the classroom. And one of the ways we can do that is by problem solving, by using convergent and divergent thinking. And I want to give you a free resource on how to do that. It's a great way to get kids up and moving. So I want to give you a free resource that you can incorporate problem solving into any content, any level. Just use this QR code to download it. See you on the next video.